From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after a little bit of a stormy start to the day, it really wound up pretty nice this afternoon with some sun mixed with high clouds. In fact, we got a drone shot today showing just that across the area. Again, some blue skies, plenty of high clouds, and they may thicken up a little bit as we head toward tomorrow morning. But overall, pretty nice afternoon. Temperatures getting into the upper 70s. And notice the green across the area, trees filling out, but still plenty of pollen and mold in the air. In fact, let's take a look at the latest count. Still grass and weed pollen in the moderate category. Mold is actually moderately high. Tree pollen moderately high, actually down into the low category in some spots today because of last night and this morning's rain, but most of us in the moderate to high category this afternoon, and it stays that way another week or two more, and then things will be settling down in the pollen category, we hope. Now, as we take a look at the big picture, first off on the west coast, as Jim and Marcel was mentioning, here comes another big storm system impacting California. They have enough water now in almost the entire state now to last them for more than a year, maybe 2 years, which is great for crops. It's going to be great for your vegetable bill come this summer, maybe next summer as well. But we all know mega droughts will be stay mega droughts. So this is just a little bit of a pause on that 1,000-year mega drought in the west. So hopefully they can capture all the water that melts in the weeks and months ahead. Meanwhile, locally for us, all is relatively quiet. We have those high clouds, and here's a first in Acadiana. In fact, anywhere at any television station in the country. Well, I have 9 Doppler radars showing up here from Dallas, Houston, Lake Charles, Shreveport, Fort Polk, Acadiana's Doppler radar, Jackson, Mobile, and New Orleans. And why can I show this and nobody else? Well, I'm kind of a crash test dummy for our weather vendor, and I get to see the latest and greatest versions of the software. Sometimes it makes the computer system crash, but other times the viewer benefits, and so does the community, and that's why we're doing that right now. Now, we do see some showers off the coast of Florida. They are heading eastward, and some rumbles of thunder as we dial into that Mobile radar, but no concerns close to home. All is quiet. What also came in today, these are all the severe weather reports going back to last Sunday, and the National Weather Service came in with a survey on some wind damage in around the Bunkie area, and it was not deemed to be a tornado, but 70 to 90 mile per hour winds. So if that would be a tornado, it would be an EF0 tornado, and it was caused by the rear downdraft on the flank of a supercell that produced damage to some roofs, some trees, some outbuildings, and several power poles also were taken down on Highway 115 east of town. So, but there was a tornado or a tornadic circulation associated with the cells that ripped through Avoyelles Parish, but the Weather Service couldn't find specific tornado damage. Again, if you can't hear it, can't see it, maybe it did actually happen, but you have to really be careful and be able to get lucky and find specific tornado damage. So overnight tonight, breezy and cooler for us. Temperatures getting down into the low to mid 50s. Again, mentioned some cloud cover tomorrow. Could see some virga, some light sprinkly rains, especially western Acadiana and the coastal parishes. Thus, I have that 20% in for tomorrow. Notice the temperature at noon at 60 degrees. Then we see more sunshine late in the day, and we'll see readings upper 60s to near 70. Chilling out even more so going into tomorrow night as skies fair out. And Thursday looks to be a nice day. Cool start, warm finish with temperatures pushing 80 for the afternoon high. Gets breezier as we finish out the week, and more cloud cover moving in. Here's Friday. Going into Saturday, maybe a quick shower or two, but overall Saturday not looking too bad. 80 degrees the high there. And then going into Sunday gets a little bit more unsettled with showers, maybe some thunderstorms moving through Sunday night into Monday. That's when we could see our next significant rain chance. Overnight tonight, lower 50s. Northern portions of Acadiana will favor low to mid 50s along the I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same down across the coastal parishes. And then after that cool start tomorrow, you'll see temperatures rising back into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Should be a little bit cooler tomorrow night. We'll talk more about that coming up at 6. So overnight tonight, 54 the low. The normal low this time of year is 55, so certainly right right in line with what should be normal this time of year, but we've been spoiled by a warmer than normal January, February, and March so far, even though we've had some cool spats here and there. 70 the high tomorrow, again with mostly cloudy skies in the morning, but sunny skies for the afternoon. 80s into the weekend, low-end rain chances Friday, Saturday, better chance of showers, few storms late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday, and next week maybe just a touch of some summer-like humidity and overnight lows in the mid-70s. I just told you those normal lows this time of year should be mid-50s.
50s or so, yeah.
Yeah, so a little bit of a summer appetizer, if you want to call it that, or unappetizing.
Disgust, yeah.
Right.
Disgust, yeah.
Thank you, Rob.